On today's adventure, I am making a pork chop. And I will show you my new little camping stove. Very excited to use it. Cheers. Here it is, my little camping stove. Portable dual fuel stove. It can do butane and it can do propane. All right, let's get her open. What's in the box? What's in the case? Ready, set. Ooh, got that. Got the directions. Here's the little stove. Very nice looking. Wow, okay. That's kind of cool looking. Close the case. See, you lift this up. You flip that over. And there you go. Got your stove top. Kick this open. You got this to use for some propane. We ain't gonna use that. You got this. I don't know. I think that's also for the propane. We're not gonna use this either. We are going to be using some butane. Yeah, I'll see you guys once I get this going. All right, we got our ingredients here. Got some butter, onion powder, garlic powder, chili powder, and of course, we got the pork chop. Got some pepper. Got the pan we're gonna cook on, and the plate. All right, let's get this thing kicked on. Ready, set, go. Oh, that easy. Turn it down about there. All right, I will see you guys when we're melting the butter. Sweet, just took the Gas One butane or propane dual fuel portable stove on this maiden voyage. I think it did a beautiful job. Here is our pork chop. I love it, love the sear on top. Check the temperature, as hopefully you guys can see, and hit the temp I was looking for. So now is the important thing. How tasty is it? How well cooked is it? It is Looks good. Nice on the inside. And there's the outside. Looks nice and good. All right, cheers. Let's give it a bite. Wow. Not bad at all. My biggest worry with this thing was how hot is it going to get underneath? Like on my tablecloth. Turned it off, pulled everything away, and I felt the tablecloth underneath here. Not warm at all. A little warm, but not hot. And to go with this delicious pork chop, I got myself a nice Upslope Brewing Company, Boulder, Colorado, Citra Pale Ale. It is 5.8% ABV. Cheers. Delicious beer, delicious pork chop, amazing grill. I will try to put the link to this portable stovetop grill in the description. This thing is perfect. I lose my power and maybe lose my power for hours. I'm like, shit, I'm really hungry. I feel like some pasta, or I feel like a nice can of soup. Boom, got this portable Gas One butane or propane dual stove. It's perfect. And the only thing I wish it came with, a can of butane, but I understand you gotta sell that separately due to, you know, explosive and fire issues. That was also another worry of mine, like, am I gonna catch my house on fire just trying to make you guys a video and make me some dinner? But luckily I did not. I was on top of it the whole time. Take another bite. Delicious. Cooked perfect. Hell yeah. And I was running it on medium heat. It says these butane tanks on medium heat could last 2 to 3 hours. I think that may be a push. I've got the tank right here, and I got maybe a half to 3/4 of a tank, and it took me less than 25 minutes to cook. So I think each can is good up to about an hour, depending on the heat level. An hour to 2. But you know, luckily I have 8, so I'm good to go for the winter. But yeah, very tasty pork chop, very cool little stovetop grill. I was that close to getting the Coleman. I don't remember. Oh, I got this one because I thought it came with, you know, a propane tank. Very close to the Coleman. Neighbor has a Coleman. He says it's okay. I really like this thing. It'll be perfect for if I go camping, or if I want to do some cooking videos here with you guys. That doesn't take a long time to do, like a steak or a burger or, you know, spaghetti or something, some pasta. Something quick and easy. Bam, that thing will work perfect. And it lives right next to my beer fridge. Takes up 0 space. It's about that thick, about this wide, and about that tall. Maybe exaggerating on the smallness of it, but it really, that's it. That's as thick as it is. That's it. The whole thing fits in here. Butane tank sitting next to it. Perfect. Man, I'm taking another swig of my beer. I am absolutely stoked about this thing. Been wanting to get one for a while, and finally I was like, you know what? Finally have a kitchen table that's was free, and it's super nice. Only issue is it is light, so I bump it. It does kind of move a little bit, and that makes me worried about something really hot on top of the burner. So I'll have to centralize it better next time. But man, absolutely perfect. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next adventure. Bye.